Everyone, welcome to our today lecture. In our previous lecture, we have made this attractive dashboard, and in our today lecture, we are going to do some formatting to this dashboard. So, first thing that we can do, we can change the background of this. So, for this, select this and go to Journal and go to effects, then go to background and on this background and select any color which you want to add here. So for example, I am going to add this. So again, we have to select all of these and then go to journal, go to effects and background and select this color. And then for next one, so we can select the same color for all the slicer here. So now you can see that it is looking more attractive as compared to previous. So then for cards, we can select the similar color as well. And let's say we are going to this color. So now this is more attractive for the cards and then select for this color for the rest of the cards. So now we are done with the formatting of the card option. And one thing more, if you want to change the, you see that if you are not visible or with this black color values here, then go to call out values and then you can change the color from this and you can make it to white. So it is more, you see that more visible and more attractive in white color. So you can change the setting from here. So now you can see that we are done with there. And similarly, if you want to change the title color as well, then go to general, go to title, and from this select the title as white. So similarly, you can do for the rest of the cards as well. And similarly, you can do this for the slicer color the settings as well. If you want to change the color of this day, month, and quarter, you can also change it. Then now change the you see that change the background of this uh, chart. Then go to effects and go to background and select a suitable background from here and then you can increase or decrease its transparency from here. Let's select this color and reduce its transparency. And then again, you can change the values, labeling values from this option. So go to uh, y-axis and go to values and change the color to white. So now they are more visible and then go to secondary y-axis. If you have values on that, then go to x-axis, change the color to white, and then go to journal and go to title and change the color to white. And then we are done with here. So yes, we are done with this. And then select this chart and go to journal, go to effects and change, let's say this color and make it closer to the above chart. And then similarly you can change the color of these values as well. So go to formatting option, go to x-axis, change this color to white, and then go to y-axis and change the values color to white, and then go to journal, go to title and change the title color into white as well. So it is more easy to read. And then you can change also the y-axis secondary color as well. So go to select this and go to secondary y-axis, and for legends you can also change this color into white. So now you can see the legend color is also white. Similarly you can do for this as well. Okay, then go to this chart, increase its size a little bit more, then go to effects, select this color and go to title, change the color title to white, then go to visual, go to x-axis and go to color option and change the color to white, then go to y-axis, go to values and change the values color to white. Then uh, you can also change the values of the legends as well. For legends, if you do not want to see this, you can simply off it. So it is giving more better look. So we are more happy with it. So now let's do the formatting of this last one. So go to effects and select the color, and then go to, you see that visuals, go to y-axis, select the values into white, then go to x-axis, and we do not have the values on x-axis as our data labels are on. So for the values, change the color to white, so now they are more visible here, and go to journal, then go to title and change the title color to white. Okay, so let's drag it uh, closer to this one, and then at last we are going to change the canvas background color as well, so it looks more attractive when all of these are jointly together. So now let's join them with one by one and makes increase the size of this, then also increase the size of this. So so now we are done with here. We have some little with space here, then we have some space here. So yes, done. So now you can see that we are done with the formatting option. So if you want to change the canvas background, so now let's, yes. So you can also add some picture at your background if you want to add it, and you can increase or decrease the transparency. So we have some little bit space here. So this is how you can do the formatting of your dashboard. So if you have any query regarding these option, you can ask me in question section. So thank you so much for being with this lecture.